cycle. The rock cycle is a concept used to explain how the three basic rock types are related and how Earth processes over geologic time changes a rock from one type into another. There are the three types of rock. The first one is sedimentary rocks, the second is igneous rocks, and the last one is metamorphic rocks. So, sedimentary rocks are types of rock that form by the accumulation or deposition of mineral or organic particles at Earth's surface. Generally formed from the compaction of cementation of sediments. The compaction means what you might think, compacting, squeezing together, while cementation means gluing or cementing, sticking together sediments. There are the two types of sedimentary rocks. The first one is clastic sedimentary rocks. Clastic sedimentary rocks formed from compacted sediments, and these are generally classified according to their size. So let's take a look for the example of clastic sedimentary rock. Conglomerate is composed of all different size sediment or glass compacted and cemented together. Then, breccia is made of all different size sediment. The sandstone is made of compacted land grains, siltstone made of compacted silt, and the shale made of compacted clay particles. The second one is organic and crystalline sedimentary rocks. So for the crystalline, we have things called evaporates and precipitates. And then for the organic, we have biological matter rocks or bioclastic rocks. This is rock salt. The rock salt forms from seawater, which of course has salt or halite dissolved in it. And when the water evaporates, the salt stays behind in the form of crystals. The other one is rock gypsum and dolostone that form in similar ways. A precipitate forms when a water sample is completely filled with a dissolved mineral. The biological rocks is formed from compacted organic material or organic matter, which include coal, which forms from compacted plants remains, and then this is a variety of limestone called akoukina, and these two are made of compact shells, and shells are made by sea creatures. An igneous rock is a rock that has formed from the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. When it's deep inside the earth, under the surface, we call it magma. Once it erupts onto the surface, we call it lava. Now this material, whether inside the earth or not, on surface, can cool and solidify. So that gives us two different types of igneous rock. There are the two types of igneous rock. The first one is intrusive igneous rocks. The second one is extrusive igneous rocks. Intrusive igneous rocks are rocks that crystallize below the Earth's surface, resulting in large crystal as the cooling takes place slowly. You'll notice that it's speckled. All of these speckles are different mineral crystal. The black is biotite mica, the pink is potassium feldspar, the white is quartz. Extrusive igneous rocks are rocks that erupt onto the surface, resulting in small crystal as the cooling takes place quickly. Let's see the example. This rock is called basalt, and you notice that you can't really see any crystal at all. If you look with a magnifying glass, you will find really tiny ones that are smaller than a millimeter. The metamorphic rocks are rocks that are changed as a result of exposure to intense heat or pressure. over a wide area by deep boreal and heating. That's all.